Somebody say, oh yeah! Oh yeah!
And now it's time for live virtual stadium action with John Motson. Over to you, John.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Fantastic. Woof. It's in. It's there. Brilliant. We've got some funky stuff in the house. It's there. It's in. That is the fattest bottom end I've ever heard. Oh, he had to score from there.
Well, that's not the way I see it.
Don't you ever wash those socks? This reminds me of touring with the Sex Pistols. Doesn't the drummer ever get tired? Good stop. This guitar player really shreds. What a ripping little solo. And on my watch there are only a few seconds left. And the final whistle's gone. And he's off.